tongue. I can taste your lies. How to measure the love you throw around. I could never hold you down. One of us will have to take a bow.
Morning guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have a very like stereotypical Sunday routine to get done today, and I figured I might as well just make a little Sunday reset vlog for you guys. Hopefully this serves as motivation to get shit done around the house that you need to do. I woke up at around like 7:30 today. I took the dogs out, kind of like tidied up a little bit downstairs, started my laundry, which has been needing to be done. Got myself together a little bit, took a quick shower, put a very light amount of makeup on. The sun is hitting me a little strong there. It feels good to knock some things off of my to-do list. So what I have left to do is actually to do some grocery shopping, because we pretty much have nothing besides eggs and like English muffins. So gotta go get more coffee, some oat milk. I gotta get some stuff to make for dinner this week. Also, needless to say, it's almost like 11 a.m. and I still haven't had breakfast or coffee. So I think we're gonna run to Starbucks first, do that, and then go knock out some of these errands that I gotta run. My overall goal is to finish with everything I have to do by like 3 p.m. I'd love to get like cooking out of the way done too, so that I can actually like relax and take a bath and then get some editing done, because I do need to edit this week's vlog for you guys. Something I enjoy doing is anytime I have like a bunch of laundry to get done, I like to put the first load in and then go run my errands while that load is running. So hopefully I can get these groceries done within like an hour and just make it back to do everything else that I gotta do. I'm so sad because I lost my freaking phone holder that I usually use in the car, so I'm just sitting you guys up on the dashboard. I hope it doesn't fall or anything. I don't really know what I want today. I think I'm gonna try the shaken espresso oat milk latte. I've never tried that one, and I've really been getting into oat milk lately, so I think I want that because I think I'm a little pumpkin cold brewed out for the season. Oh my god, I just realized this one has a low battery on it. Hopefully hopefully it lasts me long enough, guys. I'm sorry, I'm just a mess today. Can you tell it's Sunday? Like, yesterday I took off because Steven was home from work, so I decided to give myself the day off yesterday, and we literally like just stayed home. I took like a 3-hour long nap because it was raining all day. And when I tell you I never take naps, guys, I suck at taking naps. Like, I'm very stubborn about it, but when I do take naps, they are 3 hours long. I knocked out on the couch at like 9, I woke up and it was 12, and I was like, what just happened? But it felt really good. I felt like a newborn baby when I woke up, so that was nice. And yeah, so yesterday we just chilled, and then today I told myself I was gonna wake up early and be productive, which I have been. I mean, I slept until 7:30, which is kind of like regular for me. I got my laundry done, I tidied up a little bit, put myself together. What else did I do? Oh, I took a bunch of trash out, kind of like cleaned out the fridge a little bit. I do want to cook dinner tonight. Normally I would just order takeout. I mean, that could be a possibility depending if like my chores get a little hectic today, but I would like to cook because it's actually Steven and I's anniversary today. It's Halloween, by the way. I don't know if I mentioned that. It's Halloween. It's like probably the second year in a row that I don't do anything on Halloween. I just stay home and watch scary movies and just relax. Just one grande brown sugar oat milk shaken espresso.
Oh, the brown sugar.
Yes, sorry.
No worries. A grande?
Yes, a grande, please.
And you?
That's it.
Only 50.73.
Thank you. All right, guys, I just got to Trader Joe's. I am about to go inside and get my groceries done. But little update on the brown sugar shaken espresso latte. Girl, I found my new favorite. Like, I'm obsessed. I was like savoring every last sip. Anyway, my camera's about to die, so I'll see you guys back at the house because I'm pretty sure it's gonna turn off in like any second. So I'll see you guys when I get home, and I'll do a little haul for you guys. You guys, I've been such a terrible vlogger today. First of all, my camera died back when I was at Trader Joe's. And then my phone died as well, so I couldn't even use my phone to vlog what I was doing. But I'm finally home now. It's a little bit later. It's like 3 o'clock. So I'm gonna put my groceries away. I did kind of do a little bit of damage at TJ Maxx because I have a really great brand new TJ Maxx right next to my Trader Joe's. So I was like, let me just go in there and just take a look. That never ends well because they had so much good stuff, you guys. So I'm definitely gonna do a haul after I put everything away because I still actually need to run out because I completely forgot to grab some wine. I really want to have some wine tonight so Steven and I can celebrate our 3-year anniversary. I can't believe it's been 3 years already. It's so crazy. So yeah, let me quickly just get started on that and then we'll head out to get some wine. I don't think I've ever actually done a grocery haul on my channel, so I'm kind of excited about this, but I really just picked up some staple items. So I went to Target and just got like my coffee essentials. So I picked up this oat milk creamer. I also picked up some Oatly milk. I like to use this for my oatmeal in the mornings, and also I do a splash of it into my cold brews. I also went in for pineapple juice. They didn't have any, so I had to get this pineapple mango. I'm hoping it doesn't have too many. All right, it's only 100 calories. I use a splash of this for like my fruit smoothies, my green smoothies. Those usually consist of just spinach, pineapple, and mango, and then a splash of this, and it's usually really good. So that's what I got that for, but normally I would get 100% pineapple juice. I like to snack on these little green pea crisps, so I picked up one of these. I got 1 jar of my chameleon cold brew. Normally I grab 2 of these, but the weather's been so on and off lately. So I find myself reaching for iced coffee like 2 days out of the week, and then I have hot coffee the other days. So, you know, we'll see. Also, while I was there, I figured I'd just pick up some pork chops because I'm gonna make these tonight with some gnocchi that I got from Trader Joe's for me and Steven's little anniversary dinner. Next thing I got was some produce for the week. So I went with our traditional ground turkey. We make this every week. We also make salmon. And then I got us some chicken tenderloins because I like to make chicken Caesar salads throughout the week. So I got that for those. For veggies, I picked up arugula. I also got Brussels sprouts. I like to make these for dinner a lot. I also got avocados for avocado toast. I got bananas to put in my oatmeal, and blueberries as well to put in my oatmeal. I was trying to find like some of the fun seasonal stuff that Trader Joe's comes out with, but honestly my store was out of stock on all the fun stuff. I really wanted the butternut mac and cheese, I think it's called, and then I wanted the little, I forgot what they're called, but they're like little empanada looking things, the pumpkin ones, but my store didn't have them. So I just went with the staples that I know never fail me and are so good. I got sweet potato gnocchi, which is so good. If you've never had it before, it's amazing. I got the orange chicken to make throughout the week as well. And then I got just regular gnocchi, and I think I'm gonna make this tonight with the pork chops. So I'm gonna make that, and then I'm just gonna do like a veggie on the side. Maybe I'll do the Brussels sprouts, I'm not sure. But that is everything, you guys. I'm gonna put all this away because we gotta head out. Hey guys, we just got home. I changed yet again. What is this, outfit number 3 now? Listen, it's been one of those days. So I changed again into something more comfy. I literally just washed this and there's this like weird stain on my sweatshirt. So disregard that because I tried washing it and it's not coming out. I have no idea what this is. Like, it looks like it could be bleach, but I feel like it would be white. you know? So I have no clue where that came from. I feel like I kind of failed at this Sunday reset because, I mean, I've been productive, but I also feel like I haven't been productive. I don't know. Does this vlog seem productive to you guys? I hope so. I really did try. At least we got groceries done. We got what we needed. Laundry is pretty much done. I just gotta fold it. And yeah, it's about like 5:30 right now. So I'm gonna cook around 6:30 so everything is nice and fresh when Steven gets home. So for now, I'm just gonna hang out with the dogs. I'm going to try to get some editing done for the next hour, and I'm gonna watch some Harry Potter because, I mean, what better way to spend Halloween than watching Harry Potter with your dogs, right? I also feel like I need to incorporate some sort of self-care into this vlog. Let's do a little self-care and do a face mask. I'm also gonna pour myself a glass of wine because why not? I know I said I wanted to show you guys what I picked up at TJ Maxx, but guys, I got a lot of stuff and I gotta tell you, I'm super exhausted. I really just want to sit down and relax because I've been on my feet all day. Like, I was just non-stop today. So I think I'm actually gonna add that haul into my next vlog. So make sure you're subscribed, turn on your bell notifications, and make sure you don't miss out on my next vlog because I got some cute stuff, guys. I'm so excited to show you. So yeah, let's go ahead and do a little masking. I'm just gonna use a makeup wipe and just remove some of the concealer I put on. I didn't put foundation on or anything. I just did concealer and my brow pencil. So I'm just gonna use my makeup wipe and get rid of that. So I'm gonna go in with my favorite mask of all time. I get this one on Amazon. It's the Dead Sea Mud Mask, and it's so good, guys. If you are acne prone, this is such an amazing mask. Back when I was dealing with like a lot of hormonal like cystic acne, this mask would help me so much because anytime I had a flare up, I would just apply it, and I would actually like, sometimes I would use it as like a spot treatment, and I'd wake up the next morning and it would just like, the breakout was just like significantly smaller and just so much less like irritated, you know? So I swear by this mask ever since then. I'm so happy I rediscovered it because I feel like this mask has been around. I remember like old school YouTube days. I feel like a lot of people used to talk about this mask like before Amazon hauls were even a thing. I've tried like so many charcoal masks at Sephora and this one still takes the cake for me. I just feel like it does so much for my skin and it's like a fraction of the price. I don't really know what kind of application technique I'm doing here. What is this? I don't know, guys. Can you tell like how tired I am? I'm super tired. She's cute.
She's an icon. She's a legend, and she is the moment.
Listen, if I pop up on one of these clips and I have no eyebrows on, mind your business, because y'all know I ain't got no eyebrows. Right, we are done.
Montage.
Hey, baby, come and be with me tonight. I don't wanna come across impolite, but I'm ready. Hey, baby, come and show me how it's done. It's just you and me, one-on-one, nice and dirty. Late nights on the sofa, watching a soap opera. I feel your hands on my body. Wish we were getting naughty. Oh, I'm just getting started. Thinking about how you feel so right. Been dreaming all night. Could you be mine? We can go up. Or we can go down. Left or right, do or die. Come on, don't be shy. We can go up. Or we can go down. Left or right, do or die. Come on, don't be shy. Baby, come and be with me tonight. I don't wanna come across impolite, but I'm ready. Hey, baby, come and show me how it's done. It's just you and me, one-on-one, nice and dirty. The things you're doing to me, it's like something out of a movie. You see right through me. It's like you already knew me. We can go up, or we can go
Alright you guys, so I think that's gonna be it for today. Thumbs up this video if you guys want more of these Sunday reset vlogs. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I love you so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.